Welcome everyone!
Welcome everyone! Hope you're enjoying the Christmas season. Today we're giving you a nice and easy recipe. It consists of 3 ingredients. And this is
The Holy Wholesome Life, Kaki, Kiwi and orange smoothie. Oh my god, I love it.
that's it. Those are the 3 ingredients. It's very simple.
Very simple. Yes.
So how do you do it?
So we're gonna start with preparing the orange juice. And then you're gonna mix it in there with the kakis and with the kiwis. The quantities are 6 oranges, also serves 2, yeah?
Sorry.
3 kakis and 4 kiwis.
That's it.
Let's begin!
Let's begin. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells. All our holidays were right on home and sleigh. After finishing the juice, we just put the kakis and the kiwis together, blend them first, and then add the oranges.
Pouring it in, the last bit of juice. Oh my god, smoothie. Wow. Oh, it's so delicious. The color, I love the color, it's so orange.
So great.
The kiwi bits in it also. Oh, so much antioxidants.
Wow,
Fiber.
beautiful. Yes, so the kiwis are full of vitamin C and vitamin K, as well as the oranges full of vitamin C. And the kakis are also full of vitamin C. So this is a vitamin C rich smoothie. You have more than enough of your vitamin C daily input that you need. The kaki also is full of vitamin A. That's why it's got that orange texture, just like carrots, sweet potatoes, papaya. Usually orange fruits and orange vegetables are high in vitamin A. Very important for your eyes. Vitamin A deficiency can lead to seeing unwell at dark, and distinguishing between dark and light can be very poor. So you got vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K in kiwis for your bones, and it's just full of calories as well, full of energy and other sweet minerals. Let's try it now.
Try it. Wow. Oh my god. Oh wow. Mmm. 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 Wow. This is so good, guys. Wow.
It's a nice Christmassy sort of booster. Maybe you're feeling down, low on energy. This is really going to pop you up like that.
Wow, it gives you
That's
so
so
much
good.
energy.
Yeah, it's a great smoothie. It's simple, 3 recipes.
Yeah, if you feel any depressive moods, drink some food or eat some food, but drink the smoothie and it's gonna lift you up.
Exactly. So enjoy the Christmas holidays and keep healthy and have fun.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Love you.
Merry Christmas.
Namaste.
Namaste.